In this video, we will share some tips and information on how to create Bohemian-inspired interior design at your space. Bohemian-inspired design includes warmth, texture, and a mix of different cultures and styles. To achieve this look in your space, consider these tips. Use a warm color palette. Bohemian-inspired design often uses warm shades of earth colors, such as deep reds, oranges, and yellows, as well as jewel tones such as emerald green and sapphire. Add textured fabrics. Bohemian-inspired designs often include textured fabrics such as woven blankets, embroidered pillows, and fringed rugs. Add layers of pattern and texture. Bohemian-inspired designs often have layers of pattern and texture, such as mixing different patterns in a room or layering different textured fabrics. Add vintage and antique elements. Bohemian-inspired designs often incorporate vintage and antique elements such as furniture, artwork, and textiles from different cultures and eras. Use natural materials. Bohemian-inspired designs often incorporate natural materials such as wood, jute, and wicker. This can be achieved by using wooden furniture, jute carpets, or wicker baskets. Add plants. Adding plants to a space can create a sense of warmth and connection to nature, a common element in Bohemian-inspired design. Add globally inspired decor. Bohemian-inspired designs often incorporate decor from different cultures, such as textiles from India or pottery from Mexico, to create a global and eclectic aesthetic. By following these tips, you can create a Bohemian-inspired interior design that's warm, textured, and full of personality. Remember, the key to a successful Bohemian-inspired design is to mix and match different elements, colors, and patterns to create a unique and personal space. If you enjoy watching this video, then please like and subscribe so that you can get such informative videos timely.